Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. The cold air has arrived, but the coldest air of the season has yet to come for tomorrow and going into Tuesday. Snow showers in the forecast not only tonight, but scattered snow all the way through midweek, and below zero wind chills is what we're going to face as we go, especially into Tuesday morning. Now, as far as snow on the ground, yes, there is snow on the ground. You look to the north, Gaylor, just over a foot of snow. That's the current snow depth, 5 inches in Traverse City, and well over that, Sault Ste. Marie reporting 33 inches, 9 inches up toward Houghton. As we go into the overnight hours, scattered snow showers in the forecast, especially after midnight into your morning commute tomorrow. Keep in mind, this is because of the cold air kind of streaming across the Great Lakes, so lake effect, we bounce back and forth between a mix of sun and clouds and snow at times. Up to an inch possible as we go into tonight, and temperatures down into the teens. Tomorrow's highs only around 20 degrees. It's going to feel even colder. Talk about colder. Tuesday, our wind chills will be below zero. Could be as cold as 10 to 15 below as far as wind chills by Tuesday morning. We're going to watch that closely. Single numbers for overnight lows. 20 a high on Wednesday, 23 on Thursday, and it does look like we'll see more accumulating snow Thursday night into Friday, with temperatures recovering somewhat next weekend. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. I hope you have a great night.